friends, here's a little bit of homework for you. This is going to be your October page. Please turn this back into us here at school. It says, what is your favorite color apple? And you can draw it in this spot, or you can write it, or have an adult help you write it. What do you like to eat for dinner? Draw a picture and write it, or have an adult write it for you. What time do you go to bed? You can write it again, or have an adult write it. Will you dress up for Halloween? And what will you be? And then you can have your name down here. The other piece of homework that we have for you is the letter P. What kind of things can you find around your house that start with the letter P? Can you find some pictures? Pictures start with the letter P. Pink, purple, pineapple, penguin all start with the letter P. How many things can you find? Have fun with this. Bye, friends.